welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Shyam Patedar. Today we are going to discuss on a very simple topic. Today we will discuss that which is better, private sector or government sector. Here you can see 4 participants. Now they have just completed their basic in 1.5 months. Now they all are ready to discuss with me on this topic. So first of all, let me introduce them. So she is Sakshi. Okay, she's Anita Tawar. Here you can see Chanda Patel and she's Komal Rathod. They all have completed their basic. Now they are going to discuss with me on this topic, which is private sector or government sector. So if you talk about sectors, so if you are talking about private, so you can discuss private job, you can discuss private hospital, colleges, and so many more things. In the same way, if you are going to talk about government sector, so here are government job, government hospital, government schools. Okay, so don't think about mistake. You are the basic students. So you can speak freely. Don't think about fluency. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Now guys, let's get started. Okay guys, now let's start the session. Who is going to start? You? Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. I think private sector is better than government sector.
Okay.
We see in jobs. So we want to get job. So be in private sector. So we just give interview and get job.
Okay.
But in government sector, we crack exam.
Okay.
And I think government job is government competitive exam is very tough. So I think government sector in government sector
To get a job.
to get a job very difficult.
Okay. It means in a government field, in government sector, you can't get job easily. What about other part of government or private sector? If we talk about private schools, if you are talking about private hospitals, what about it?
Sir, in private school we pay salary. Oh, we pay fees.
Yes.
So we get all facility. But in government job we don't get all facilities. So I think private school is better.
Okay, even it doesn't mean that if you are supporting private sector, so you can't speak on a government. It is a discussion, you can say everything. Okay, next one. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this great opportunity. And sir, according to me, government sector is always better than public sector. So because we can talk about government jobs. So sir, nowadays every person want to get a government jobs. Sir, and job stability in government sector, job stability 100%.
Yes.
And sir, in government job, in government sector will be more facilities.
Yes.
Like medical facilities, travel facilities, and so on, pension facilities.
Yes.
So sir, government sector is best.
Stability. You are talking about stability. Okay, so stability is there. Okay, who is the next one? Yes.
Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. I agree with your point, but I think government sector is better than private sector because I like government school. So government school there is so many facilities like library and games, sports, so many facilities. If you want to get good marks, so you need to more knowledge. So you read daily books and you get more knowledge games. So you play daily games in school and you want to good player. So you will become good players.
Okay. I just want to ask you a question. You are talking about everything, but what about discipline? Is there a discipline in government school?
Yeah, so many school available is discipline, but some village not discipline because there is no any facility. So there is no available.
What sort of facility are you talking about?
Because there was no available so many teachers and they don't tell student.
Okay, it means management. There is no proper management in government school, so it is the fault. Okay, it is the fault. Okay, I will also ask few questions later. Okay, so yes, please, common.
Sir, I think private sector is better than government sector. If in private sector, if we get work, if we
Get a job.
get a jobs and more salaries than government sector. In the private sector is a corruption free sector.
Yes.
Government sector is a corruption full sector.
Okay.
So I think sir, private sector is best.
Here is okay. So many questions I can ask here. As Komal said, in government sector there is a problem of corruption. So Chanda, you said that there is always government sector is better. So what about corruption?
Sir, first of all, I would say, sir, in COVID time, sir, that time lots of people lost their jobs. But sir, in government sector, people's employees, government employees get our salary
Yes.
at correct time.
Okay,
sir,
so
is
it means there is a security.
Yes, sir.
There is one thing. Yes.
But if we can government job, we can job. So government job. So sir, your life is secure.
Yes. If you are doing government jobs, your life would become secure. So that's really great thing. But Komal, what about it in COVID? I'm asking to the question to all those who are in favor of private. You also, you are also in the part of you like private job also. What about in COVID? What happened? So many people lost their job. But in government sector, there is a security. It means whatever will be the situation, you will have your job ultimately. Okay, so Komal, yes, please. Yes, have it.
Sir, I am agree with you. But in a private sector, if you have skills, you much better. You do much better.
Okay.
Then government sector. Sir, you said in Corona time, many person lost their jobs.
Yes.
But if you person have skills and good employee, then nobody can leave
You.
you.
Definitely. Even if you are in the private sector, so if you are talented, nobody is going to leave you. Yeah, that's a really good point. What do you think? Especially in COVID, so many people lost a job. So what do you think about it? But if you are the employee of government servant in short, so you are getting salary on time, like government teachers are getting salaries. In lockdown, they got salary. So what about it? What about the security especially? Yes.
Sir, I agree with you. Many employees lost their jobs, but not all.
Yes.
Mostly employees they do work on his house
From- yeah,
from
work
her
from home.
work from home.
Yes.
So in government sector, many teachers and job holders give salary on her house, but they become lazy.
They become lazy. If they are getting job at home, so what is the use of, because that is not a appropriate work, because they are getting job at their home, they are making lazy. Okay. What do you think about it?
I think government sector is better because who people is in poor, so she cannot go to in private school because they have no money. So that time they need to in government. So government give so many facilities like government college, and you will get scholarship, and you will learn so many things, and you show your talent. So I think government sector is bad.
Okay. I just want to ask where we are getting more progress. In private sector, people are getting more progress as a employee. Okay. In a private sector or government sector. In short, I am just asking to you where we are getting more progress. Private employee are getting or government employee are getting. Who is getting more progress? Please, who is going to speak? Yes.
Sir, I think private sector in the progress is more.
Okay, please explain.
Sir, if we have a skill, so we have get job. We get job in private sector. But if we have in government sector, we have complete your exam. So if we have a government job.
So there is no, because we are having a security in government. So if you are having a security, so there is no need to fear that I will lose my job or not, because we are having security. Okay, so we are talking about sectors, so we can't forget hospitals. private hospital, all right, government hospital. So what do you think? Yes, please. Government hospital, please.
I think government hospital is better because government hospital is so many facilities available that time in corona epidemic time also secure all people and that time all private hospital laws but government is not laws.
Okay, yeah, it means you can get treatment anytime wherever, whether you are poor or rich, you will get treatment in government hospital. Yes, please. What do you think?
Sir, I would say if you are talented, so doesn't matter from where do you job.
If you talk about hospitals,
Hospitals.
so in
sir,
government, what do you think that where we are getting more facilities? In government or in private?
Sir, according to me, more facilities in government hospitals.
In government, yes, please
Sir.
explain.
Sir, because their fees is low
Less,
and
yes.
less, and sir, their current nowadays their cleanness is very good, and patients care and eat foods is very
Properly.
good.
Okay,
properly.
okay, that's really great. Yes, yes, yes.
I think government hospital is better because corona epidemic time nobody help you but government help you so we can say adversity filter
No.
adversity filter no man.
Okay, better snowman. That's really great efforts. Okay, yes. In the last. Now you all have to conclude. In conclusion, you can say which is best according to you. Okay. So who is going to conclude this first? Yes.
According to me, both are important.
Yes.
If we want to, want to save security, so we go to we get job in government sector.
Yes.
But if we want to hard work and if we want to get job based on skills, so we go in private sector.
But what about other sector? What? Yes, please give me first. What about other sector? In government sector, there is not only job. Here is government hospital. Here is a government colleges, government school. What about it?
Sir, government school, if we see in government school, so government school is best for poor person.
Okay, for poor
But yes, but their teachers know teaching well. So and in government sector is not government school is not develop in all activities students. So private in private school we take part in all activities, so we improve in ourselves. So I think private school is better than government school.
Okay, that's it. Next one, who's conclude next? Yes.
Sir, private sector is good for our skills, improve ourselves there, and sir, schools, private schools is better than better for government schools, better than for government schools, and sir, sometimes on some places private sector is better, and on some places government sector is better.
Okay, some places. Okay, yes.
I think
Conclude.
Government sector is better because if you have no money or if you want to achieve success in your life, so suppose if you poor people, so if you need to money, so that time you will
carry on, complete.
if you need to money but that time you have no money, so you choose first you choose government sector.
Okay. It means somehow if you are poor, so you will get more help in government sector. Yes, please.
But sir, I think private sector is a self progress. In the private sector, if you skill and are self progress, and in the government sector, if you now time many government college schools are developed and more good. So I think both sectors are.
Okay, no problem. I think you have just completed a 1 month or year, all right? So don't think about mistake. So guys, I think we should appreciate their efforts, all right? So it is enough for this video, guys. We will see you in next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.